guys, surprise reveal na ako. This part 2. Part 1. So guys, my house is something weird. Something weird my house look. Bruh. May steps. Steps guys, ganito. Naman lang walk. So guys, something weird my house. Something weird my house. Look alam something weird. Look alam imposter. Look guys, this look big sticky notes. This big chicken. This big sticky notes look like this. So guys, something with my house. So guys, something with my house. Something with my house. My goosebumps. Bro. Something with my house or something creepy my house. My goosebumps. So scared. So guys, scary. So guys, check ko muna house ko. Bye bye. Peace.